This Karen just got trespassed but refuses to leave. Little did cops know how quickly this situation would escalate.
If you don't leave right now, you're gonna go to jail.
Take me to jail. You've been abusing me for 6 years. Don't touch my car.
Hi. They want you to leave.
Okay.
Okay. They want you trespassed. Okay.
Okay. No problem.
Okay. You want to just come to my car? I'll give you a trespass. Get you out of here. Okay.
I don't need to get trespassed from you. Okay. It's okay. I'm not coming no more here.
Okay. Still their property. You can't be here either.
$2.50.
Okay. I don't care.
And money that I need to pick it up.
Okay.
Go and tell her. Look,
If you don't leave right now, you're gonna go to jail.
I'm going to jail right now. Take me to jail. Take me to jail.
You're not
Take
gonna
me to
refuse
jail.
to
I
leave?
need my $32.50 that I came to buy.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. No, get out of the car. Martha, get out of the car.
The guy was speaking with her for my $32.50.
Charlie, I'll have 11015.
Let me close my car.
Out of the car.
I need to close my car.
I'll close it. Out of the car.
Hello, it's Charlie 1.
Out of the car.
1 second.
Out of
You're
the
not gonna
car.
hurt me more.
Is anybody out with him? Negative, but it's reference to Martha. Charlie 1, you good?
10 more if I could use another. I'll need another because we're going to need someone to tow this vehicle. She's been a little uncooperative, but she's cuffed.
I'm not cooperating. I am recording you.
Okay.
I'm recording you. Stop touching me.
All you gotta do is
touching me.
leave.
The guy was speaking with me to give me my $32.50, and you are carrying me.
Officer here.
Stop hurting me, sir. Stop pressuring me. Stop.
I'm in the rear. My car's in the front. I'll be standing
I
by.
get to talk with you to get my money.
Unsecured in the back.
Abuser, you are f***ing abuser.
In Florida, making false accusations is a serious crime with severe consequences. The penalties for providing false information about a crime vary depending on the offense. First offense: first-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year in jail or probation and a $1,000 fine. Second offense: third-degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years in prison or probation and a $5,000 fine. She is fortunate not to be fined immediately, especially given that this is just the beginning of her outrageous claims.
Stop holding me. I'm not moving it. I'm not gonna go nowhere. Stop holding me.
Stuck at the light. Go, Luke.
Stop holding me.
Just waiting for a transport. Well, we'll go.
You don't have to hold me.
Yes, I do.
You don't have to hold me.
Okay.
I'm not going nowhere. You've been abusing me for 6 years. 6 years. Your violence. Your nastiness.
We're just hanging here till we get a transport. I'm not walking anywhere. We're gonna stand right here.
I don't wanna work with you. I can't wait to the jail if I need to work. I don't drink. I don't smoke. You are a cook. You cook. I call and I told you don't leave me alone. This is abuse, and I'm gonna see you. Everybody's watching you. I have more than 25,000 people there. Help me more. Help me more. Help me more. Help me more. My lawyer is seeing all this. You're going to hell, Mr. Chain.
Not
Chain of Fame.
Not turn around.
I'm not turning around. Stop touching me. That was the sign that Kevin Jimenez broke. Stop putting your hand in my shoulder. Kevin Jimenez broke my shoulder. Yeah, you having pleasure touching me? Yes, you like to chop woman. Yeah, because you are a nasty rapist.
This particular claim could be considered a second offense due to its severity, given that Martha shows no signs of impairment, no slurred speech, imbalance, or bloodshot eyes. It's clear she is fully aware of her actions, making her liable for her statements.
I came to look for you in the back to ask for my $32.50
If we
money.
walk, are you gonna calm down? Or are you gonna keep yelling?
This is gonna be beautiful for Salvation Army and Punta Gorda Police.
Anybody
Keep
here yet?
hitting me. Keep hitting me. Keep pushing me.
If I walk you to my car, are you going to be calm?
I'm not walking to your car.
Okay.
I need paramedics.
All right, we'll stand here then.
I need paramedics.
Why do you need paramedics?
My pressure is going down. I feel like I'm gonna have a heart attack.
Okay.
I need paramedics.
Charlie, 1 point over.
You having pleasure to touch a beautiful Colombian woman?
No.
Like you've been touching me for a long time? No, I don't, because maybe you are gay. You're messing around with Kevin Jimenez. Pa.
Turn.
No, that's the paramedic here.
Stop it. Right now, stop
We
it.
got fired.
How many?
coming.
How many?
Stop.
I was in your restaurant
Stop.
disgusting.
Stop.
I've been stopped for a long time, sir.
Quit. Just calm down, please. It's okay.
He's been abusing me for
No, he
4
is not.
years.
He has not
I
been
have
abusing.
pictures.
Shh.
I have pictures and I have videos.
Please don't yell. I have a headache.
What's wrong? Take a...
You're acting up. You don't need to do that, ma'am. Okay?
I am no mom. I am Marta, and I know you for 20 years, Mr. Chat.
I'm not sure what you just called me, but okay.
You are Mr. Chop, C-H-O-W, Mr. Chop.
Mr. Chop, yes,
And
ma'am.
you are owner of River City Restaurant, too, with your wife.
How do you know that?
Because I know you for 20 years.
No,
I was
no.
there on Friday, and the food was disgusting.
Oh, I'm sorry. You want me to? I'll have a talk with the owner. I know him really well. Okay? I'll tell him he needs to up his game.
And your son and your daughter and everything in the soccer team.
Yeah.
Don't touch my car!
Don't do that. Don't kick me.
Try to kick me.
In Florida, simple assault on a law enforcement officer is a first-degree misdemeanor, punishable by a fine and potential jail time. Battery on an officer is a third-degree felony, carrying years of imprisonment and significant fines. In this case, it's unclear whether her action was an intentional kick or an attempt to block the officer's path into the car. However, her behavior only escalates from here.
You kidding me?
I'm just gonna call it out.
Yep.
I told you don't touch my teeth. Why did you got to touch my teeth?
I was getting.
Don't touch me! Don't touch my teeth!
So what?
I hate you! I didn't kick you. I put my leg.
Charlie 1.
Don't
Sit her
touch
up.
my teeth,
You want?
Mr. Chuff.
We have
You
to.
close.
The law-
Knock him. It is too bad. I hate him. I hate him.
Martha, you gotta stop screaming.
That
You gotta stop screaming.
I know it's screaming, sir.
But you were.
But he's been throwing me, abusing me, throwing me.
Do you want to sit? Do you want to sit up?
Do you want to sit up?
No, I don't.
There, I just watched yours, and she's happy feet. Watch your.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah,
I don't wanna touch this man. This is a man. He's an honor man, not like you, piece of garbage.
Yeah, I am. That's true. I am definitely old.
And I went to be at your restaurant and I left. The food was disgusting, but I love your place.
Okay, that's good. I'm glad to hear that. Do you guys know Martha?
Yes!
So she's under arrest.
I do.
And now she's claiming a blood pressure issues, I believe. She just tried to kick me, and we pushed her, and now she's on the ground
May I
too.
sit
So.
down, please?
You want to sit up?
Please.
Yeah, let me help you.
Yeah, we asked her. She
No,
won't
one
sit up till
second,
you
one
guys
second.
got it.
1, 2, 3.
How you been?
Having problem with the mother and that bitch. He's
what?
follow me. Everybody's watching you, my friend. He's threatening me and threatening me and threatening me.
Let's try to calm down because it's not going to help your blood pressure, okay?
Where did he hurt you at?
Everywhere.
The only thing is, Miss Martha,
Take a look.
go
Okay.
going to the hospital won't.
Oh, you got your whole little outfit there.
You're still going to have to deal with the police officer, okay? Going to the hospital won't.
I don't care because they are losing.
So let me.
I got Kevin Jimenez, and I have Chain of Fame, and I have Matemara. All of you been carrying me
Listen.
for 7 years or more.
Let's breathe. Let's calm down, okay? Do you want to go to the hospital?
I need to go somewhere.
Like a
Because-
hospital, or do you need to just go to jail with them?
No, I need to go
Because they
to
can
the
check you
hospital
out. They can for what?
because I almost have a stroke 2 weeks ago.
You almost had a stroke 2 weeks ago. So why didn't you go 2 weeks ago to the hospital?
Because I went to my doctor and they did a
Papa Idol,
scan and everything.
Foxtrot 76.
All and I said, please do not hurt me. And right there, he ran in to find me and hurt me because he runs more faster than everybody else. Oh, it smells disgusting in here.
Smells like my food.
The suspect was charged with trespassing and resisting an officer without violence. She is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.